Hello, dear patients. My name is Dr. Tarık Umutoğlu. I'm Associate Professor in Anesthesia, and today I will describe sweet dreams concept for you.
Hi, dear Dr. Tarık. What is the sweet dreams concept in hair transplant, and what gives to us about safety and comfort?
Thank you very much for this question. Dear patients, hair transplantation procedures are relatively time-consuming procedures. Occasionally, at these long and grueling operations, patients are often suffering from boredom, fear, and distress. Having a chance to receive painkillers and sedatives during the hair transplantation procedures makes us much more comfortable during the operation. Receiving this anesthesia service by a senior anesthetist will double your safety and comfort during the operation. During the whole procedure, you will be accompanied by a senior anesthetist that will monitorize your healthcare parameters and will give you anesthesia service that includes monitorized anesthesia care, sedation, and pain relief. With the combination of intravenous analgesics, sedatives, and local anesthetic drugs, you will be safe, comfortable, and relaxed during the operation. With combination of these drugs, the local anesthetic drug utilization will be limited, and the drug toxicity risk will be limited. Utilization of intravenous analgesic will limit the local anesthetic agent consumption and will decrease the risk of local anesthetic agent toxicity. Limiting the local anesthetic drug utilization during the procedure will decrease the local anesthetic toxicity, and continuously monitorized by a senior anesthetist will guarantee your safety during the procedure. Limiting the dose of local anesthetic agents will decrease the local anesthetic toxicity risk, and continuously being monitorized by a senior anesthetist will ensure your safety and comfort. As a result, you will enjoy having sweet dreams in comfortable and safe environment.